The Monkeys and the Water Giant. Long ago there was a dense forest. In the forest was a lake in which lived a giant who ate everyone who went into the water. In those days, a bodhisattva had come down to the earth in the form of a monkey. A king of the monkeys, he headed a troop of 80,000 monkeys. One day he advised his troop, "My friends, in the forest there are fruits which are poisonous and lakes that are hunted by water giant. So ask me before you eat any fruit which you have not eaten before. So drink any water from where you have not drunk before." The monkeys agreed. One day, as the monkeys were wandering in the forest, they came across the lake in which the water giant lived. Remembering their leader's advice, they did not drink the water. They waited for him to come. When their leader came, they asked him whether they could drink water from the lake. The head monkey went towards the lake. He looked carefully at the footprints around and saw that all the footprints went into the lake, but none came out. "There is definitely a water giant living in this lake," he thought. When he told his troops not to drink the water because the lake was hunted by a water giant. Now the water giant was listening to their conversation. He surfaced in the middle of the lake. He looked horrible with his blue belly, white face, and red hands and feet. He called out to the monkeys, "What are you waiting for? Why do not you drink the water?" The head monkey asked him, "Are not you the water giant of this lake?" "Yes, I am," said the water giant. "Do you eat all those animals who drink water from this lake?" asked the head monkey. "Yes, I do eat up every animal that comes in to drink water from this lake, and I will eat all of you too," said the water giant. "But you shall not let you eat us," said the head monkey. "We shall drink the water, but you will not be able to eat us." "How are you going to drink the water and not be eaten by me?" asked the water giant. "You think that we are going to go down into the lake? No, we are not going to enter the water at all. But all of us are going to take a reed and drink water through it," said the head monkey. Then head monkey asked one of his troop to bring him a reed. He then chanted some mantras, and the reed became hollow. Then he went around the lake and said, "May all the reeds growing around this lake become hollow," and all the reeds became hollow. After this, he all along with 80,000 monkeys seated themselves around the lake with a reed, each in their hands. Then the head monkey sucked water through the reed and was followed by other monkeys who also sucked water in the same manner. Thus, the monkeys were able to drink water without going into the lake, and they went back to the forest with their thirsty quenched. The water giant could not eat them, and enraged, he returned home to the bottom of the lake.